Model 2018 Ford Transit Courier Connect Euro 6 1.5 Tdci MOT'D spares OR repairs. Body white, panel van. Mileage 117916. MOT the 24th of January 2024. Engine 1499 cc 1.5 Tdci 75 PS stage 60. Transmission 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner timing belt has snapped. Nice easy repair if you know what you are doing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Well looked after van. One former company owner. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,350. Click the link